inside but can't break free. Poison whispers in my shattered mind. Can't escape you no matter how I try. Every time I run I just find you there. Twisted love, a tangled snare. Poison whispers in my shattered mind. Can't escape you no matter how I try. Every time I run I just find you there. Twisted love, a tangled snare. I hate that I love you, it's a cruel joke. Heart burns like fire every time you spoke. Thoughts of you linger in the shadows here. Loving you, the blade I feel. Nights are long and the silence screams. Haunted by your ghost in my broken dreams. How'd we end up in this twisted hell? Love and hate, this cursed spell. Past is a weight that I can't ignore. Chains on my heart, always wanting more. Every scar, a memory of your embrace. Can't erase your twisted face. Love and hate, they are one and the same. This aching heart playing a ruthless game. Lost in the storm of what we have become. Hate that I love you till the end is done. I hate that I love you, it's a cruel joke. Heart burns like fire every time you spoke. Thoughts of you linger in the shadows here. Loving you, the blade I fear, I fear. Every time you spoke. The past is a weight that I can't ignore. Chains on my heart, always wanting more. Every scar, a memory of your embrace. Can't erase your twisted fell.
Woke up in the dark this morning, heart heavy, can barely breathe. Echoes of your last words haunting, cold memories never leave. Looking out the window crying, rain on glass like tears of pain. Ain't no point in even trying, without you I'm lost again. How can you mend a broken heart when every piece is torn apart? Thought I'd find solace in the night, but the shadows just don't feel right. Want a drink to stop my thinking, but the bottle just brings more ache. Friends saying to stop sinking, but the sorrow I can't shake. Old photos on the shelf now dusty, remind me of simpler times, where we smiled and never rusty. Now every moment feels like crimes. How can you mend a broken heart when every piece is torn apart? Thought I'd find solace in the night, but the shadows just don't feel right. Want a drink to stop my thinking, but the bottle just brings more ache. Friends saying to stop sinking, but the sorrow I Albums on the shelf now dusty remind me of simpler times where we smiled and never rusty. Now every moment feels like crime. How can you mend a broken heart when every piece is torn apart? Thought I'd find solace in the night, but the shadows just don't feel right.
Walking down lonely streets at night, eyes searching for a flicker of light. Heart heavy like it's made of stone. Found someone, now I'm not alone. Used to wander in a sea of doubt, couldn't hear the whispers, couldn't shout. Walls around me closing in tight, broke through them, saw the light. I found someone in the dark, shed our pain, left a mark. Felt the spark as our worlds collide. Together now, no need to hide. Lost in shadows, couldn't see the way. Found someone who made me stay. Their voice, a melody, a healing sound, lifted up from the ground. Held a hand that erased the scars, guided me like the North Star. No longer drowning in the sorrow, now I see a brighter tomorrow. I found someone in the dark, shed our pain, left a mark. Felt the spark as our worlds collide. Together now, no need to hide, no need to hide. I found someone in the dark, shed our pain, left a mark. Felt the spark as our worlds collide. Together now, no need to hide. Whoa.
Empty jars on the shelf, gray and cold. Memories trapped inside stories left untold. Dusty lids sealed tight, never break. Pieces of heartache, pain too deep to shake. Echoes in these jars, whispering my name. Every shattered piece, a part of my shape. Glass prison holds the tears I've bled in these jars of heart. The love is dead, smudged and gone. Still they sing a sorrowful song, tracing cracks like a map of my soul, every line leading to an empty hole. Echoes in these jars, whispering my name. Every shattered piece a part of my shame. Glass prison holds the tears I've bled in these jars of heart. The love is dead. Take these jars, throw them to the wind. Let them break, let the healing begin. Free the ghosts that linger inside. With the shards, let the memories die. Tables turn, broken promises and lies. Even strongest hearts eventually die. Jars of heart, a graveyard of hope, melancholy strewn on a frail road. Faded labels, words smudged and gone. Still they sing a sorrowful song, tracing cracks like a map of my soul, every line leading to an empty hole. Take these jars, throw them to the wind. Let them break, let the healing begin. Free the ghosts that linger inside. With the shards, let the memories die. With the shards, let the memories die. Tables turn, broken promises and lies. Even the strongest hearts eventually die. Jars of heart, a graveyard of hope, melancholy strewn on a frail road.
Night creeps, lost it all. Moon's cold light, cruel pain. Hearts cracked, whisper your name. Echoes haunt in these halls. Your ghost shadow, it calls. Dusty dreams, hopes fail. Nights grow long, love's tale. I'll still not over you. Words run deep as grew. Time can't heal wounds past. Find me here for last. Whispers wind, cold and low. Memories refuse to go. every dawn keeps you awake. Lost one fight, weary bones, empty bed, lifeless tones. I'm still not over you. Once on delays grew. Time can't heal what's past. Find me here, I won't last. I'm still not over you. Once on delays grew. Time can't heal what's past. Find me here, I won't last. Lost in haze, dreams collide. Lonely roads where I hide. Words unsaid.